Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ren'o here, and here we are again back with some more mana Khemia. So, for our independent research, we're supposed to wrong place. We're interior heights. There you go. Oh.
Let's go into the depths of the mana ruins.
Yeah!
Well, at least flame is useful in some cases. I hate that. Oh god. Hello. What?
So slow, as if you're frozen.
Oh no.
You will not escape!
Oh. Alright, I was able to open up all of these, by the way. But...
Nuts. Disappear and go away.
I really like that mana. I really do. There's nothing I can do about that.
I'm ready anytime now!
Yeah, let's do that.
It's useless.
Oh,
Call me out too! I'm pumped up! Did you call me? It was a good fight.
good fight. You know what? Hold on. Yeah, let's swap Nikki out for Flay. I should probably start fighting some of these monsters too.
We win! Quickly!
What the hell is this? Oh god, they're all new.
I got you.
It's useless. Oh, what?
You will not be able to see
My moves! Oh, oh.
I'm pumped up for this!
Oh, I get it. You're weak too. Oh god, I killed it. I didn't get its description yet.
Suffer, please.
It hurt!
I think.
I'm ready.
Swap out.
I'm able to switch!
Okay.
There you go.
Fighting sucks!
I think this should give us leeway.
God.
You will not be able to see my moves! I'm pumped up for this!
Minimum tornado. I don't think that's gonna help me.
It hurt? I think.
Yeah, I need.
Suffer, please.
Oh, I killed it. Okay. Can I use retraction? I don't know if I should. That's a lot of SP.
Come here.
I'm going! Did you call me?
Good. Let's analyze you
Suffer, please.
and swap out. Oh, pfft.
I'm able to switch!
Swap out.
I'm ready anytime now! My turn! I'm pumped up for this!
Oh, I keep killing it.
We're done.
White feather and worn weapon. Okay. Coal. Wow, I'm gonna get rich from here. Pendalock. Carbon boulder. Beware of treasures. Monsters may appear. Do not open recklessly. Okay. Thanks for that. Okay. Oh, okay. Good thing I checked the left side first. Let's see down here. Excuse me. Coal. Is there no recipes in?
We will win.
Ow!
You will not escape.
All right, I can go out.
Sulfur, please!
I'm ready anytime.
Swapping out.
Call me out too. Watch out. Switch.
Ugh. Can this... you have such small range.
It hurt. I think. Did you call me?
All right,
Flay.
I can go out.
Thank you.
Leave the rest to me.
Fighting.
Gosh, that was a close one.
Anyway,
Rapid move.
You will not be able to see my moves.
Okay, let's not. Hopefully, I can't. Don't kill it just yet.
I got it. It's useless.
Did you call me?
Sulfur, please!
Increase your chain.
I'm just about ready. Teddy, please.
Leave the rest to me.
I'm ready. I'm done with this. It was a good fight.
Please don't move. Please don't move. There you go. Is there anything down here? Nothing. Big boss. I mean, big monster.
Well, maybe we can have a little fun.
Well, what are these?
It's
It's useless.
Leave the rest to me.
Oh no.
You will not be able to see my moves. Did you call me?
Let's do raid recharge.
Lightning, come down to me.
Should I do rising pillar? I already have their data, so. Oh wait. This is better. Pumped up for this! I wonder if I could overdrive. Don't you dare! Okay, I thought that was gonna be a delay attack. Okay, star shot! Knock back the enemy. I don't think I can do that with my skills. But yay! Oh, I need that. I think I need that, right?
I can switch.
Wait, what was the... I already forgot what the... Let's do attack instead. Do you have any lightning skills?
Oh boy. Everyone, please!
There you go. Oh god. Nice! 2.6.
We won!
I... Chrome crystal... Yep, I knew it. Is there anything? There's one. I'm kinda nervous now if there are any monsters here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, wait. There's a dead end up here. What? Oh, foraging spots. What vegetables are here? Murdoch? Oh, okay. Radish and those roots. Sphere spaceship? Commercial pot? What? Wait, aren't there supposed to be only 7 of us? Oh, hello. Are they all carbon boulders? Yeah, carbon boulder. Fuck! Damn it, I hate that so much. Oh wait, why didn't I... Yeah, that's my bad. My apologies.
It was a good fight for you.
At least they're giving us X heals. Go. Damn, I hate you.
Let's try this.
Ah. Nice volley. Okay, not that bad.
I'm ready anytime now.
You know what? Lunar Drive.
I will end it with this power.
Call me out too.
Suffer, please!
I'm pumped up for this. I'll switch.
Let's see. Oh wait, are you weak to lightning? Yeah, you are.
Leave the rest to me.
Oh, I thought that would kill you. I have full HP. I don't think it matters.
I can switch. Switching.
Yeah, I think the next attack could kill it.
I'm ready to switch.
See ya!
We're done.
Devil's panties. That is the most weirdest loot item I could get. Oh, hold on. Carbon boulder. Is there anything? Oh, I thought I glitched. No! I can't even jump. There you go. Ice rain.
I think this would be...
You know what? You know.
You
Let's see. There you go. Carbon boulders. Is there anything over there? Nothing. Okay. What the that's a long hallway. Chrome crystal. Is there anything? Oh. Is there anything below us? Yes, there is. Oh my.
We will win. Quickly.
I am tired.
You will not escape.
Infinite thorns!
I'm ready anytime now. Call me out too.
Leave the rest to me!
I should really start looking for.
So normal it's boring.
Oh, what the?
I'm ready anytime now. You will not be able to see my moves.
Leave the rest to me!
Yeah,
Call
I
me out too.
purify.
It's
It's useless. I need to swap Roxas out. We need to recover some SP.
I'm done for this.
Knock back the enemy.
I'm able to switch. I'll switch. I won't.
Maybe I shouldn't have swapped Jess out just yet.
You will not escape.
alright, I'm ready. Infinite thorns!
I'm dead. Did you call me?
We're done.
Glowing petal. Gosh, it's already night. Pendalox. Okay. Okay, there's a boss, not boss, giant monster around here. Oh, thank gosh.
It might get kind of hard like this.
You will not be able,
Able to see my moves.
I'm done for this.
Don't do that! Leave the rest to me!
Yep, let's. Healing Echo A. There you go. We're safe for now. Lightning.
Did you call me?
Raiden charge, huh?
Come down to me!
Don't you? Ah, Pam!
I'm getting tired. Time for lunch. My turn.
Anna, God. I did Raiden charge, right? Yep.
Spin it! Spin it!
Cannot fall.
There. I need to heal. Thanks.
Call me out too. You. Did you call me?
Everyone, please!
Oh, is this on?
Creature chain. Nice. Okay.
Alright, I'm ready.
You're dead.
Did you call me?
We're done.
Okay, I'm a little nervous now. Okay, safe. There's something down here. Oh! Oh! Seriously? Mana Ruins corridor. So we're back here? Wait, can I use this? Maybe the power is out. Oh, okay. So I have to keep using... Oh, that's fair. I don't usually venture out from one spot and then move to the other anyway. There's the end of it. I swear.
I think this will give us leeway. Don't hinder me.
You
Will not be able to see my moves. Damn, I like that. I like that quote so much. There.
Did you call me?
Leave the rest to me.
Let's heal Roxas up.
Heal the move!
I can swap out.
Electric lightning, come down to me. Nuts. Disappear and go away.
I'm able to switch.
Nope. The healing is coming up anyway.
Don't hinder me.
Did you call me? My turn.
Everyone, please!
Let's go. You're dead. Woo!
So normal, it's boring. If I'm
How? Indeed.
I'm ready anytime. Call me up too.
I will end it with this power.
Pumped up for this.
Could I? Okay, I think you're fine. I need Jess.
This'll make it all right.
Yeah. Swap you out. Oh damn. That's not gonna do much.
I'm ready.
Jesus.
I'm able to switch. I'll switch you.
God, Pam.
It will hurt. I think. Time for love.
I'm so glad she has self-heal.
Infinite thorns!
My turn.
damn it!
I'm ready.
I had enough.
You will not be able to see my moves. Ow, my best too.
Oh boy.
This is...
Fighting so.
There's nothing there. I mean, there is something there, but... Oh, okay. Is there seriously nothing here? Oh my gosh. There's... Okay, where are we? Pendalock. Pendalock. You're a monster, aren't you? Oh, never mind. No, hey. Okay, now you're the monster.
You will not escape.
We're done.
Exhale. Pendalock. Carbon boulder. Chrome crystal. Seriously, there's nothing. There's not a single recipe book around here except for that pot thingy.
Here we are. Now dig up every suspicious little corner you can find.
I was just thinking, is this really okay? I
I mean, it's school property. That's right.
It should be fine. If they don't want us here, they should do more to stop us.
Well, never mind that now.
I really like how there's a save point here. Okay, let's... Oh my...
This'll give us leeway.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta have lightning, right?
Don't hinder me.
There you go.
It was a good
Nice, Hannah.
fight.
Let's see if there's anything else around here. Coal. It's just coal, pendalocks, and chrome crystals and boots. Oak. Ringed boots. Okay. That's something, thankfully. Anything below here? Yep. Pendalock. Let's heal again. There's a part of me that wants to go back, but I think I should be fine. Hello.
What's this weird...
What? You found something?
Hold on. What is this? An egg?
An egg.
Yeah, a metallic egg.
We need to examine it with the flapewter.
Flapewter.
Never seen this kind of material before.
Let's take it back. Maybe if we warm it up, something will hatch.
Is that a good idea?
Stop! Leave that thing right there!
Tony!
Ha-ha! It's the Mook Squad. Haven't seen you guys
Mook
in a
Squad.
while.
Who the hell you calling a mook?
Flay, who are these people?
Just some losers. It's not even worth mentioning their names.
Oh, oh, that sick burns.
All the things to say. Anyway, we're taking that egg.
Why?
Sorry, guys. It's like his whole life is dedicated to annoying you.
How are you still with him, Renee? How?
You're involved in this too.
Is she though?
I'm not as willing this time. We weren't even ordered to do this.
Fine. I'll do it myself. You can go home.
Aw, you're all pouty. How precious.
Don't say that.
Can't you practice your couple's comedy show somewhere else?
Oh god, Nikki!
What couple? Ah! This conversation is getting us nowhere.
Okay, as much as a scumbag Tony is in his school years, this is too funny now.
Anyway, we're taking that by force if necessary.
Do you think you can try? There's... Okay, technically there's 7, but it's 6 against 2. Here we go again. It's been a long time since we last fought these guys. Let's see. Gosh. Okay. They have smart placement. That's good. At least I think Renee is much more dangerous.
You'll not be able to see my moves.
That's what I think anyway. Lunar Drive. Oh, it reached. Nice. Now, releasing shadows.
All right, I can go out.
Yeah, too late. I couldn't stop it.
Sulfur, please.
What do you have?
I'm ready. Time. Call me out too.
Sure.
So damn annoying.
No. That's okay for now. Moon Drive.
Nuts. Disappear and go away.
Wait and charge. Vayne again. Let's analyze Tony.
Sulfur, please.
I can't swap Vayne out.
There, there.
Big orange bomb. Oh my!
I'm able to switch.
You can't be serious. Yeah. I'm glad I target Renee first. Please wake up.
Another power up.
Here she comes.
So
Not yet.
annoying.
No. Hyper screw. Oh gosh. You know what?
Come here.
Go on. Path to evil? Let's swap her out. I'm a little scared of Renee.
Did you call me?
Exploit the enemy's weakness. They're bosses.
One last push.
Should I? I don't know. Should I do? Let's do it.
All in one. Now,
Oh. Oh. Renee's down. Still though, Jess, that was awesome. Yes. Tony, you're out. Oh.
You will not be able to see my moves.
Hold on. Not yet, not yet. Let's do Star Shot first. And then... Can you do Sky Present? Sky Present!
Fly to the heavens.
Oh gosh, that's a...
Call me out too.
Don't get in the way!
Break Stomp. No! Okay, Flay's about to go down. We need to heal him. What do you...
Suffer, please!
Let's do Raiden Charge. Oh,
I'm ready. Time now.
oh no, he's too far. Yeah, I have to swap you out. Jess.
This makes it all right.
I can't. God damn. I'm nervous now. That was strong.
Can't be helped.
Oh, you can't do anything because you're sealed.
Suffer, please!
It's either... Oh no. Please not Flay. Thank you.
I'm able to switch.
Hold on. Pam. Where can you go from here? What happens if you just attack? Yeah.
I'll leave it to you. I'm ready anytime now.
Cover here.
There.
I can switch.
My turn. I'm pumped up.
Everyone, please!
Let's kill it. Oh no. Attack. Okay, we're fine. I'm fine.
Go out.
I'm fine. Exio.
Right.
I'm able to switch.
I will end it with this power.
Pumped up for this.
Once more. Releasing shadows. Gosh, this is taking longer than it should. Boost. Oh, boost. Can I push you back? Yeah, I can.
Leave the rest to me.
I'm ready. You will
Not be able to see my moves.
I'll finish this off. Great minute.
Ready time now.
Heal up. Anna!
I'm just about ready. Time for lunch. I'm pumped.
Oh boy.
Everyone, please!
Come on. Yes! Ah. Esteban Guard. Heavy armor and women's armor. Feathery flow. Ah. Come on. Can I not? Why can't I? I'm sorry, this is taking longer. There you go.
Ow, ow, ow! Ugh. I knew we didn't stand a chance.
It's 2 against 7.
Why aren't you angrier? Damn it! You'll pay for this!
Tony, stop please.
Ha! Even his threat is idle and lackluster.
I wonder what they actually came here for.
Beats me.
We wasted precious time. Let's go back to the workshop now. Wasted time? Pretty harsh words there, Anna.
Not much we can do about it now. Oh wait. When we're seniors. Okay. Let's head back. I think majority of those are like armor and weapons. Let's see, what can I make? Oh right, bonus card. God, that looks stupid. Commercial pot. That... I don't know what this is. I honestly don't. Whose is this? Feathery flow. Wow, that looks amazing. AP gain. Oh, hello. It's done. Good job. So, what were you just making? It's armor for girls. Do you want to wear it? It's not that I do not want to, but I am slightly hesitant. Okay, is there a certain kind of armor you like to wear? Me? Well... no, never mind. You can think of one for me. But I'm not the one who's gonna wear it. Well, that is true. Well, actually, I did draw one I like a long time ago. Wow, you've been prepared for this. Please don't laugh when you see it. I won't. Now, let's figure out how to make it together. Alright. Angel Clot? That sounds nice. Sorry to bother you again, sir. Archangel Wings, Winged Boots. Here's the Esteban Guard. I don't know what those two are. Winged Boots, huh? Oh, Angel Wing and or Fallen Wing. Can I make one of those? Yes, I can! Angel Wing. Alchemic Bag. Wait, can I not equip that? I'm pretty sure I... Apollo Diapason. Is that seriously all I can... Oh gosh. Pretty ribbon. Oh, hey, there it is. Alchemic symbol. Keep the current effects on. And let's... I don't know why the alchemic bag is... Healing Ice Storm. Let's do healing. SPM. SP and speed, huh? There. That's the best I can do for now. When the new term starts, I'll buy some stuff. Let's see.
Well, we brought it back, but now what do we do? I wonder what this is. A pot, I guess, though it seems to be metal.
I think we should prepare a normal research paper. Don't worry, no matter how you cut the pie, this is a super ancient artifact. Are you sure? I
guess. It kind of looks like one, but meh.
Yeah, even if we turn it in like this, it's still only a pot of some kind. You guys are too picky. Here, give it to me.
What are you doing?
Stop it, if it breaks, then we'll have nothing to turn in.
No way, that's too much work. Huh? I thought I just saw it move.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it shook a bit. Huh?
2000 space years since I landed on this planet trapped, unable to move. Move? What?
Ooh. What is this? It's cute.
Is it?
Ooh. It ran away.
Oh, play. It ran away! Catch it! Yes, sir! This is... I don't know how I feel about this.
Don't bully it.
I don't think this is the time to say that.
This is cute? Jess, you're really strange.
Just hurry up and catch it. It looks like a knockoff Kirby. I don't know, And I've interacted with these aliens, I'm bound for capital punishment.
Intent to kill. I knew it. He's dangerous.
If it's an enemy, don't go easy. Even if it is our independent research. Hola? Hola? Are you kidding me? I know, Muppy, you, my friend.
Cheese. Such cheesiness.
What now? Step 1, observation. Huh? Okay, hello? Bonjour? Foreign student. Foreign student?
Jess, don't be fooled. It's obviously not even human.
Look like my mother? This is stupid. Are you really a student? You don't look...
They know.
It's not cute, so I don't care. Possible disabled. It doesn't even look human. What do you mean? This is stupid. Absolutely stupid. I didn't think so. You all found it in the ruins.
Even I know this can't be good.
This is stupid.
Aww.
Head. A red ball is proof of royalty. Only we are allowed to wear it. Waiha. Flavors Waiha. Okay. Summers are cool and winters are warm. What? Vane, you lost your head. It worked. Such an easy man to handle. Are you kidding me? Moppy is... So, Moppy, who was excavated from the ruins, joined our workshop, even though he was supposed to be turned in as our research project. There are many kinds of people in my workshop, but how can I say this? I think he is beyond unique in my mind. Who is he and where did he come from? At the time, we had no idea. Once again, that is stupid.
I wondered what you were up to out in these woods. So you're serious?
Of course. There's nothing else that I would rather do.
Then, I support you. It'll be exciting if you have a kid.
A kid? I guess you can call it that.
Okay, based on that, I don't think he adopted Vane. Did
When
he
it's
create
born,
Vane?
What are you going to name it?
Let's see.
Gosh. Well, summer vacation's done. School festival and a trivia contest? Why is there a question mark on a trivia contest?
Summer vacation's over way too soon.
It didn't feel like much of a vacation with all that work we did.
Ugh, assignments. We'll be getting more of them in class, huh? Stop being lazy and whip yourselves into shape. Yeah, the school festival is coming up. Let's get into the spirit.
Last year was a disaster. Jess was kidnapped by Roxas and...
Kidnapped? Roxas, how dare you?
It's not like I did it. Besides, I heard some rumors about the festival.
Okay, in Rox's defense, he really doesn't know. That was all Tony and Renee. So yeah, I'm gonna have to defend Roxas on this, Anna.
Ooh, what are we doing this year?
It's called Cross Campus Ultra Alchemy Trivia.
What the hell is that?
I don't know exactly, but you answer alchemy questions in pairs.
A trivia challenge? Sounds like fun. Now, who should I partner with?
No way, Flay is gonna participate in that, right?
We've got a lot of time to think about it.
That's true. Ooh, I'm kind of getting excited.
Now that you're energized, let's do some assignments.
Assignments? Ugh.
You can't run out of energy that quickly.
Oh well, what are you gonna do, Anna? Black liquid, holy pressed paper. Okay, I think six units still, huh? Okay. Hopefully I can get. Oh, hello. Oh, Jess. What is it? That was loud. Oh. Huh? Thank you. Oh. Right now? The dull green makes it look really scary. Hey, wait! Don't run away! Yeah, that's a smart fruit. Smart fruit. I saw the fruit and that's a smart move. Okay. Let's head back to the workshop and save. Oh god, it's already been an hour, huh? Anyway, I'm gonna end the episode here. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna venture around and try to get some recipe books around the school. And I'm gonna go back to the Mana Ruins in case I missed anything. So once again, Johnny!